When it comes to a sweaty workout, most of us enjoy a water break reward as much as the next fitness fiend. But as the mercury rises, it is more important than ever to focus on our fluids all day long. This is Judy at the Cardio Wellness Group, and water is the most essential nutrient our system needs. Remember, you can live many days without food, but only 3 without water. Many of my customers are not drinkers. Even when it comes to water, they resist. So I wanted to share some additional ways to get this much needed liquid into our bodies and be able to replace up to 20% of our daily water intake with food. Our bodies are made up of more than half water, and we use it for pretty much every bodily function, from regulating body temperature to removing waste and lubricating joints to carry oxygen to the cells. That could be why you feel so fatigued, dizzy, and moody when you are dehydrated. While it's true a tall glass of water is the best known way to stay hydrated, there are plenty of alternative options if you don't like the taste of tap or can't be bothered with bottled water. Sure, you can infuse drinking water with flavorful fruits like lemons and raspberries. But you can also reach for some of these water-rich foods that keep the H2O balance just right and won't require so many trips to the water cooler. Who says you can't have your water and eat it too? According to the Institute of Medicine's recommendations, we should eat 20% of our daily water intake. Soup, yogurt, and oatmeal are all great fluid-filled foods, but these summer-friendly fruits and veggies can also help with hydration. Next time you're feeling thirsty, pile these on your plate. Number 1, watermelon. In the world of thirst quenchers, watermelon weighs in as a major contender. Based on its name alone, it's no surprise this fruit is made up of 92% water. But its salt, calcium, and magnesium is what makes it ideal for rehydration, according to a 2009 study at the University of Aberdeen Medical School. This summertime staple is also a good source of potassium, vitamin A, and vitamin C. Number 2, celery. This often overlooked veggie is way more than chicken wing garnish. Celery stalks are about 95% water, high in fiber, and rich in minerals, including potassium and vitamin K. Keep in mind they are not packed with nutrients, but that's also because they're not calorie dense. And it's fun to add a bit of crunch to our day. Number 3, cucumbers. Cucumbers keep cool at the number 1 spot on the list of waterlogged fruits and vegetables. Composed of 96% water, cukes have no saturated fat or cholesterol and are very high in vitamin K, vitamin B6, and iron. They are a great snack and salad topper. Number 4, strawberries. Even without the shortcake, strawberries are a sweet treat, perfect for staying hydrated. They are the highest of any berry at 92% water and are loaded with fiber and vitamins. Number 5, lettuce. Iceberg lettuce may be 96% water, but it's not known for much else in the nutrition department. Richer salad greens, including butterhead, romaine, and spinach, are more well-rounded choices and still up your hydration. Adding greens to your diet improves your gut microbiome as well. How much water do we really need? Whether you eat it or drink it, don't stop till you get enough. The suggestions start at 8 glasses a day, and I've seen as much as 1 glass for every 10 pounds. No single formula fits everyone, but knowing more about your body's need for fluids will help you estimate how much water to drink each day. It can depend on your personal health, the weather, and your exercise routine. The U.S. National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine determine that an adequate daily fluid intake is about 15.5 cups. Holy smokes, that's a lot of liquid. That's why it's so important to get water from your food, too. Even up to 20%. Most of us need some kind of reminder, as we may not even realize we're dehydrated until it's too late. When you think you are hungry, first Drink a glass of water because sometimes it's only a matter of dehydration and not hunger at all. Common signs of dehydration include fatigue, headaches, nausea, and dizziness. I set reminders for everything, including remembering to add water to my routine. Many people I know carry a big jug that they finish every day. But if any of that is difficult, remember, add these water-filled foods to your diet to get things moving and get extra water into your diet. Happy drinking and eating! If you have any questions, please contact me at 1-800-957-8946 or Judy at cardiowellnessgroup.com. And remember, today is the perfect day to take care of your health.